Hello. I am Big Bird, but I would much like it if you would call me Big Faggot, as that is exactly what I am. I am a big faggot. Anyway, today I am in China again, and this time I'm going to shove Chinamen up my ass and then take a crap and hit the Chinamen, as if they were some kind of a deadly fireball or something. It'll be all like, here I am a Chinaman, and I am about to get hit by a poopy ball. It'll be swell. Let's begin the gay action right now. Stop that. I said stop with the bird flu. Oh shit, I have SARS. Little faggot. The short cocks. The sex. Fuck. Bag that lost swell. And now, I must shoot a poopy ball at a Chinaman. That lost funny lol. I am laughing. Well, see you next time, people.